Hello again. This is Jamar Joseph from Main Financial Services. RPTV is proud to present you some knowledge on taxation, tax education. Today, you will learn different types of business and the expenses you can use as business credit. What are the types of business? When you're creating your business, when you're forming your business, you have to think what type of business you will be creating. Here are some of the types of business. Sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is someone that owns an unincorporated business by themselves. We have partnership. Partnership is a relation when there's a relationship exists between two or more people. You have corporation. Corporation is a legal entity that distinct the owners from the business. You have S corporation. You have limited liability. Limited liability is a corporate structure whereby members or of the company are excluded from personal liability of the business or personal loss, personal debt of the business. But the most common one is also LLC, the limited liability, or the single member LLC. Most of you guys have participated either sole proprietorship because let me give you example. Um, if you are doing babysitting, all right. If you are doing babysitting, you drive a taxi, all right, and then you do business where you collecting cash, all right. Whereas you don't get a W-2, you don't get a 1099, but you collecting cash. So with that cash, you still could have filed income tax, right? You still, or you should be filing income tax because you need to report that to the IRS also. And let's say you were doing babysitting and you count for the year, you getting paid $12,000. Some people get paid 12 to $30,000 being a nanny. All right. So just because that money is being paid to you in form of check or cash, all right, and then at the end of the year you don't get a 1099, you don't get a W-2, doesn't mean you don't have to report it. You can report it, and you should report it. And most of the time, when you report it, it's going to be counted in your favor because if you have a child, you have a dependent, most of the time you will be receiving a refund. How would you be receiving a refund? Because the fact that you own that income, right? You will also have expenses, and those are the expenses that I'm going to explain to you that can be used as business expense, right? And which will be used as business credit. For example, let's say you work from home, right? You do babysitting. The person drop the kids at your house, so you are working from home. You're using your home as part of your business. So 30% of that can be used as business expenses and business deduction. Also cars, all right? If you use your car to go and pick up the kids and bring the kids home, take the kids to the park, for whatever purposes that you use your car, you can use 30% of that as the business expenses. um, Payment that you made to pay employee that's worked for you. What else? Taxes, insurance. Let's say you use your car again, the insurance that you pay for your car, 30% of that can go towards the business expenses. So again, to consider or to be considered as business expenses, the expense must be ordinary or necessary. So in order for it to be ordinary, it must be something that's important, part important expense that is part to conduct the business. So again, other expense can go as far as cost of goods sold. Right, the cost of goods sold, what it costs to perform the job that you're doing, or what it costs to perform the product that you're producing to sell. to create the income. So everything that's contribute to manufacturing, to producing the service, all the costs will be subtracting from your income. Let's say you make $50,000 a year doing babysitting or from selling something, from doing landscaping. So all the product, the machines that you use, all right, all of those are parts of cost of goods sold to create the service, to provide the service, to get that 50,000. So let's say, for example, you made an expense of $20,000 or $15,000 of cost of goods sold. So that $15,000 will be subtracted from that $50,000. All right, so the remainder of $35,000 is the one that you're going to be taxed on. All right, and still again, there are all the taxes, all the deduction. For example, your phones, your cell phones, that you use. So that's when you can use those as expenses. All right, but if it's for personal, you cannot use anything personal. I'm sorry, it's not gonna be for business purposes. So I understand. Sometimes you're telling me, I use my phone. I do dry cleanings. In order for you to claim those expenses, they must be business expense. They cannot be personal. All right, and your tax preparer will tell you. Your tax accounting will let you know also. So again, as a review, we learned today about the different types of business formation. We have sole proprietorship. We have LLC, limited liability companies. We have corporation. We have S corporation. We have partnership, as part of different type of business formation, and the different type of expenses that a business can claim. We said in order to claim that, it must be ordinary expense or necessary expense. So in order for something to be necessary, it must be indispensable. All right, so that's when you will be qualified to claim that as an expense. And we give you example of that will be cost of goods sold, taxes, payment made to your employees, rent expense, or whenever you use your home as part of your business, you use your vehicle, your car as part of your business, interest paid. All of those are different types of deduction that you can use as credit towards your business. So I hope you understand what we just enlightened for you, and I hope that little section will also lead you to how you should create your business. Again, if you need assistance, I will always be open. You will always see my phone number. So wherever you are, if you're anywhere in the state, out of state, you feel free to call me. I can work with you in terms of how you should structure yourself, structure your business. And again, if you have not done so, if you are a taxi driver, whatever it is, you need the assistance of a professional, you should reach out to your tax preparer, reach out to your tax accounting. I'm pretty sure they will be more than happy to assist you with creating your business, setting up your business, and also make it fit to help you for your retirement later in the future. Once again, thank you for following us up on RPTV, and we hope this has enlightened your understanding and knowledge on tax education and tax preparation.
Main Financial Services is conveniently located at 76 Mount Vernon Place, Newark, New Jersey, ready to file your taxes following principles established by the Internal Revenue Service. Call today 973-980-8692 and set up your appointment. Main Financial Services also offers investment for youth aged 20 years old and up. With a deposit of $2,000 that you can pay by installments, Main Financial Services guarantees a return that can make you smile while years later, call Jamar Joseph today at 973-980-8692 and let's talk investment. Main Financial Services also provides a public notary, life insurance, MoneyGram, sports agent, real estate investment, credit repair, documents translation, immigration services, legal registration of your business, transportation services, and more. Main Financial Services, 76 Mount Vernon Place, Newark, New Jersey, 973-980-8692. Main Financial Services, best for money management.